Hello, this is Sharon Adams from Adams Law Office here to talk about trademarks again. So today what we're going to talk about is something that people ask me, which is about trademarking a business name. And there seems to be, some people have the feeling that their business name must be their trademark. That is not true. Your business name can be your trademark, but it does not have to be your trademark. We're going to look at Target as an example of why that how that works. So here we're gonna find it. Okay, so I did this search before, and this is in the US Patent and Trademark Office database. You can go there and you can search, and then I search by owner, Target Brands Inc. And they have, of their live and registered trademarks, they have 732 results owned by Target Brands Inc. So clearly their name is Target Brands Inc. And yet they have all these different trademarks. Now, I mean, I'm going to go through a few of them here just to talk about it, but here is their trademark for Target for their retail and online retail department store services. We're going to look at that one. This is the Target registration as shown in the US Patent and Trademark Office database. So here you can see that the trademark is for Target, but the owner name is Target Brands Inc. So even right at that level, the trademark is Target and the owner name is Target Brands Inc. And every trademark has to be for specific goods or services. In this case, the Target trademark for Target is for several items, but one of them, of course, includes retail and online retail department store services. It also has some, cards, prepaid cards, and photo finishing services. All right, so that's that. And just to maybe look, because it shows Target, just to go back here, it shows Target as the owner is a Minneapolis, Minnesota corporation. Sometimes I like to check those things. There it is. You can search the Secretary of State of each state and you can search for corporations there. And if you search for Target brand, though, there it comes up, Target Brands Inc. That is their official corporate name. Yet, as we have seen, they have a trademark for Target. So right there, the business name and the trademark are different. But as we saw here, I mean, they have, 732 registered trademarks for all these different kinds of things. Okay, so I took a few of them out. Here's one. Wild Fable. This is owned, current owner, Target Brands Inc. There you go, but their trademark is for Wild Fable. So again, we see the company name is not the same as the trademark. Now, in this case, as I said, every trademark has to be for specific goods or services. So their other Target trademark, the circle, that was for their retail store services. And this one, the goods and services are, again, two classes. They're bags and wallets, and also for clothing, namely tops. And they include retail store services. Well, I haven't seen the Wild Fable stores, but if you look, then this is how they show. Okay, this is how they show the use of Wild Fable. There's the trademark for clothing. This is how they show the trademark Wild Fable for their purses and handbags that they showed, that they also claimed. So that's, you can see the use of a tag with the trademark shows use in commerce. Again, trademark is different than the business name. They also have, a universal thread. This is another trademark. Again, it's for bags and clothing and retail store services. Owner, Target Brands Inc. And there you see, trademark is for universal threads. I just wanted to include this in here because sometimes people have questions about showing trademarks on clothing. Okay, so we know the company is Trademark Brands Inc. And they have a trademark on clothing for universal thread. Okay, and here they actually have this two different ways on this. Both of these are good. A tag hanging off of clothing, often with a price on it. that is a way to show use in commerce for clothing. Another way is to have it actually on the back in a label, or here they actually have it put right in on the cloth itself. But, you know, oftentimes you'll see a label on clothing, and that is where a trademark can be found. So here we see that. So, and then here, when they think this is probably their example that they're using to show their retail store services. So they're kind of saying this is a retail store within Target. I don't know. Okay, I don't do all of the analysis. I am not the examining attorney, but I believe that's what that is to show here. So anyway, just going back to the original, I mean, as you can see, not only do they have, you know, a lot of different clothing brands, but they have, you know, boxes, they have downloadable computer application software. Okay, you know, they've got a lot of different things. Goodfellow and Co., that's non-medicated beard care preparations. So you see, one company, Target Brands Inc., can have many, many different trademarks. Each trademark must be for specific goods or services, but the company itself, the name Target Brands Inc., that is a separate name, and that is a name that is shown. Every corporation is registered with the Secretary of State in the entity that, in the state that they were formed. And so the name, their name, Target Brands Inc., that's their name in Minnesota. But that is not their trademark unless they have a specific trademark for it. And as we saw, just to repeat, as we saw at the beginning, they do have this trademark for Target, okay, not Target Brands Inc., but for Target, and it's for their retail store services. So my business is Adams Law Office. I have trademark legal services. You can contact me by phoning or emailing me, and I hope to help you with trademarks. Again, nothing in this video is legal advice. This is just my opinion on trademarks and my opinion about how various trademarks are showing goods and services. Hope you enjoyed it.